seems to be too fat for his... He doesn't seem to be fitting in as well as he used to. I don't know what's happening to you. I think you're growing.
He's growing as he's coming out.
There he goes again. Crack, 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 crack. It's a tough world to come out of, isn't it? Hey? Yeah. And another one. He's fast. He's faster than any bird I've ever seen. Well, then it's fathers like that, isn't it?
Oh, another one.
Good Bubba. He's going to need a big rest when he gets out of here. Yeah.
He's in a hurry.
Certainly is. A bit tough bit there.
Come on.
Nope.
He's definitely not fitting in as well as he used to.
No.
That's Fiona. That should get us moving. There's a bit of strong line across there that might make things a bit difficult. No, he's just pushing his ass out the other end.
Yep.
Here he is, coming out this way. His butt, I mean. There's his face. What's this, Whopper? Look. Looky, looky, here he comes. Here he comes. Whopper, look. Whoppy, look, 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 here he comes.
Bubba.
Doesn't want to get his head out.
Come on, baby.
Come on, baby, that's a good boy. There you are. There he is. Now he'll sit there for a period of time. It's alright, darling. Yep. He's rather a big baby. Now he'll sit and rest. So what I'll do is I'll pop him back with Mum. And she'll do the breaking of the cord and all that sort of stuff.
Come on, baby.
Pretty baby.
Come on, baby.
Is that your Bubba?
That's your Bubba.
Is that your little
That's
boy?
your Bubba.
That little baby's coming out. Say, come on, darling. Here he comes. Here he comes. Comes your Bubba. He's determined to come out all by himself.
That's a lovely little thing there when he's looking down at the Bubba.
Come on, baby.
Okay, I'll go and give it to Phoebe now. I want her to do the last of it.